Victoria K Blush Sticks. This blush sticks is very versatile 3-in-1 cream blush sticks that can be used on lips and cheeks. It has different colors na pwede nyong pamilian depende sa skin type na meron kayo. It was so long-lasting, moisturizing cream blush sticks. The colors are beautiful in long wearing. So, hindi siya agad-agad na nawawala sa inyong cheek or sa lips kapag ginamit nyo siya. Ang mas maganda dito, very easy nyo pwedeng dalhin anywhere kasi handy siya. Medyo maliit lang siya.